Alright, so I got the boards all plugged up here. And that's what we get on the from the displays here. So it's not just your game. It's definitely on these boards here. So I'll go ahead and start probing it out. See what we get. So here's your driver board connected to my MPU. Get displays. Get our lamps dancing. But we do have a coil that's locked on. So we've got a locked on coil at least. My recommendation, man, Williams used round pin headers throughout. What I would do is actually replace these. There's quite a few of them, but what I use are actually square. Gets a lot better of a connection. I usually go through and replace them. It costs about, I want to say about like 12 bucks to do a driver board. But I would recommend doing those. The TIP 122, I think it's like $1.20 or something like that. So it's really cheap. Filter caps like 60 cents to $1. I think it's actually $1 with it being the axial. But I'll go ahead and get that swapped out, and then just let me know if you want to replace the headers. Alright, so the boards are good to go here. Go ahead and get her powered up. So that's what we should be getting every time this display is working. We've got the lamp matrix going. We have no coils locked on. And let's go ahead and get her into test. So it should go off, and then you press it one more time, flip up, and it'll cycle through all the displays. So all those are working. Clear again, go to lamp test. All the lamps are working. Next test is going to be solenoids. So it locks on the flipper grounds, the flipper enable. And it'll go through all of the solenoids here. And the special solenoids as well. And these are also switch controlled. So all the solenoids are working. And we go into the third test here, which is going to be switch test. So we'll go through the first column and then the first row here. And the last switch on Gorgar is switch 44. Here we are. So everything is working there for you. And then I went ahead and set this to free play, but I believe you're actually having this on location. So I'll take it off of free play there. But basically it's just setting 18. And then you want to set the max credits to 0, which is done just by pressing the start button whenever you're on selection 18. If you do want to go back to free play there. But everything is all good to go. I'm going to go ahead and get these boards cleaned up, but thank you so much for sending them.